Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can set up a Google Tag Manager account, and it is a very helpful tool if you are going to do any sort of work on your website. So essentially Google Tag Manager is a place where you can put all of your snippet code inside a Google Tag Manager rather than putting on your website, which can affect your page speed. So in this quick tutorial, so the first thing we're gonna do is how you can install a Google Tag Manager on your website. So first you need to make an ad account. So what we're gonna do here is come up Google Tag Manager, and this is what it looks like. So once you're gonna come up here, you're gonna come here, create an account. Over here, account name, you can put your company name, let's say DTech, which is my company name, and then country, which is going to be in my case is Australia. So whichever country you are, you can put it up here, and then here is the container name. Okay, you can put your site name. Let's say I'm gonna put www.abc.com, just a dummy one, and then target platform, which is obviously it's a web because we are using for the web. But if it's an app or Android app or AMP or server thing, you can choose accordingly. But most of you guys gonna use for the web, so we're gonna use for the web. Okay, and then create. Okay, over here is you just need to understand what all these policies are, and then yes, and it's loading up. So that's it. So that's how you create your Google Tag Manager account. So what we need to do is we got this two piece of code which we need to put it inside our website or on the header of the website. If you don't know what to do with this one, it's pretty easy. Either you can do it by yourself or you can give it to your IT guy, or if you have any person who look after the code side, but it's pretty easy. So we're gonna copy all two of this code and put it on our website. So this is the only two piece of code which we're gonna put it up on our website, and rest of the other tags we gonna put it here in this tag manager account. So let's say if for some reason you have, if this thing has gone, all you can do up here is come up here and in this section, and then you can see this code is here. Okay, so once you install this code on your website, I'm going to show you in the WordPress how you can do it in an easy way. So in Shopify, I think they do have some sort of plugin which you can use to put this same code in the body head tag and in the body tag. Okay, let's go on the WordPress, the backend, and then I will show you how to do that one. So here I am in the one of the website. It's a WordPress website. So I'm up here in there, and all you have to do is go in the plugins, and then you have to search add a new plugin, and the plugin which we're looking at is it's called Google Site Kit, which is up here. I have already installed it, so if you need to find it, just add plugin G Site Kit. Okay, either we can space it up here and then enter Kit. Okay, so here Site Kit by Google. So as you can see that 4 million people have installed it, and it's been updated, and it's compatible with your version of WordPress. So that's what we need to look at. So once we have this one, once you're gonna install that one, like if you can see up here, just install now, and once install, it's gonna come up here. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is come up here. So now what we have to do here, we need to come up here in a setting. Once we come up here in a setting, as you can see that there is a Google Tag Manager is already connected with this particular account. So once you're gonna come up here is you can either all the services, Search Console, Analytic, Page Speed Insight, or Tag Manager will be here. If you cannot see over here, you can come here and connect your services up here. See, as you can see that we can see here is a Google Ad and AdSense account here. So whatever service is not connected up here, it will be showing up here. So all you have to do up here, let's say in tag manager, and then we're gonna come up here and then we're gonna do edit. Okay, so this account is already connected, so you can see that there is an account is already connected up here. This is all connected, so this should match with your GTM ID. Okay, so let's say we need to connect a new one. Let's say set up a new account, create an account, refetch my account. So either you can create an account from here or refetch the account from here, but in this case I'm not gonna do that one. So what I'm gonna do here is disconnect this tag manager from this sitekit and I'm gonna reconnect it again. Okay, so we're gonna disconnect. Let's do that one. Okay, so up here as you can see that this thing has been gone from here, and what we need to do here is come up here, set up a tag manager. Let's do that one. So the one of the coolest thing to do is, let's say if you are making your Google ad account, or if you are making your tag manager account, if you connect your Google ad or Google sitekit or your website with the same email, they can automatically pick it up as this account has picked it up. So you don't have to put any sort of code, the one which one I have shown you before. You don't have to put it up because this sitekit automatically can push it up, so you don't need to put any sort of code in here. So if your account is connected with the same email, so it can get all of this information by itself. So okay, so this is your account and this is your container, and then complete setup, and okay, and that's it. Okay, done. So as you can see that over here in this G sitekit, you can see that it can show you like how many people, what are the channels, what are the location, and what are the devices. So there is a lot of bunch of information here which you can see up here. So let's go back in this one. So you can see that this is our dummy account and this is your tag manager ID, and I will show you how you can check that if your website have a tag manager account or not, or if you have set your tag manager account correctly or not. So this is the interface which you will be gonna look at when you're gonna have your tag manager account. And if in case you need to give an access to somebody, what you can do up here is come up in the user management, admin, user management, and then let's say if you need to give somebody a access to this account. Mostly when someone gonna run your PPC account or your Google ad or your SEO, they might need the permission to this account if you have made it, otherwise they can make it by themselves. Okay, so here add user or add user group, and then you can give them the access accordingly. So normally for the PPC or SEO guy, they need an admin access so they can make a tag, so they can make a trigger inside your account. Okay, and yeah, and up here that's pretty much it, and that's a workspace. So that's how you can make your tag manager account. And so the last thing is you need to check if your website has a tag manager installed properly or not. So what we need to do here is, let's come up here. So this is the website which we are looking at, and which is called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. I will leave the link in the video. And what you need to do here is enable and record, and then refresh the page. So that way you can see that it's gonna load up the information. So it can tell you that if the Google site tag or Google Tag Manager has been installed or not. So have a look this number MMR8B, and if we go up here, we go in the setting, and then you can see that number will match. Okay, here N7MR8B. Okay, so that's how you check out your Google Tag Manager if it has been installed properly or not. Okay, so that's it for the Tag Manager video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.